開始。
Taking photos used to be a costly hobby because frames were very expensive. People need to shoot conservatively in order to reserve the limited frames for only the most important moments. While sharing photos used to mean inviting friends to our home to look at the family albums. Also, recording an ongoing incident with photographs was the responsibility of professional journalists, as bystanders normally did not carry a camera when they were wandering around.
Things have changed tremendously ever since photo shooting went digital and mobile phones began to have built-in cameras. Instead of counting how many frames are left, people nowadays can fully enjoy their photo shooting sphere without worrying about running out of film or the cost, as even the cheapest memory card can help store over 10,000 photos. Not sure about the exposure or the focus? No problem, we can shoot as many photos as possible and then select the best one later. And it is unnecessary to ask our friends to actually meet us to see a photo anymore. Just send it via WhatsApp or post it on Facebook. They will then instantly get it and even comment on it.
The catch is that when it is extremely convenient for us to take photos, we end up shooting too many, which does not only eat up the memory of our device but also make it very difficult for us to find our desired photos. Searching through thousands of photos take over the course of 5 years is surely the last thing we would like to do. And deleting the junk is another chore because sometimes it is not easy to decide what is rubbish. For this reason, many people just ignore their old photos while they keep taking new ones, which has lost the fundamental purpose of photograph.
等一等先。好，繼續。Sorry.
Storage is another problem. While traditional paper books have been proven, photos have been proven to last for decades if handled and preserved properly. Digital storage media do not offer the same level of performance guarantee. It is a known fact that the photos stored in our photos are far from being safe, as the phones may be damaged or stolen unexpectedly. Some may print out the most important ones, which is costly, while most people just choose to store the digital photos in a hard drive or DVD, and same as the old school floppy disk that we don't use anymore. All storage media may become obsolete one day. That's why we all risk losing all our photos if we solely rely digital storage.
Rely on digital storage.
Rely on digital storage.